So I just got this out from the freeze, and I had all of the masala and all of the spices on this, so it would be good. And then I put it like 8 hours in the freeze, so it would be good. Look how good it is right now. All of the masala and the spices are in it, so it's gonna be good if you eat it. Yeah, now we're gonna barbecue it in the thing. So look, we have already set up the fire, so now we just need to place it gently in here like that. Like that, we get all of it in here. So then we let it smoke. So now we need to like make it upside down so we can like get all of it in all of them. Look, it turned into another color. Now it's about to get cooked. So now it's fully cooked and we are about to get it in the plate so we can enjoy it. So we put it all of it in our plate. It looks good and delicious. So it looks good and delicious. You guys should try it at home so you can barbecue it like this. Let me try it. It's yummy. It's better than the the cheap ones in Smart Shop and the other stores. Okay, so